The Bitcoin price has fallen by as much as 27% from 73K down to 53K. Now there's three things smashing Bitcoin at the moment, and I'm going to talk through each of those as well as what you can do about it. The first main driver that's impacting the Bitcoin price is the Mt. Gox hack, which happened in 2014 when the price of Bitcoin was around $600. Currently, creditors have got around $8.5 billion of Bitcoin that they're planning to send back to customers that were impacted by the hack. And recently, $2.7 billion was transferred from cold storage to an exchange wallet ready to be sent back to those customers. Now, some people are worried that customers will sell all of those Bitcoin. That's unlikely to happen, but some of it will likely be sold, because consider that those people have been forced to hodl Bitcoin for 10 years. And from $600 to now just under $54,000, they've returned 93 times their money. And so some of those people that have had $10,000 originally would have close to $1 million now, and they would probably want to buy a house, which is fair enough. Second major driver of the Bitcoin price heading a little bit lower is that Bitcoin miners have been selling some of their Bitcoin. We can see from Glassnode, for example, that the balance held by miners has dropped from 1.83 million Bitcoin to below 1.81 million Bitcoin, which is around 20,000 Bitcoin having been sold off in the last couple of months. And that's also reflected in the nearly 8% drop in the Bitcoin hash rate. Third major driver impacting the Bitcoin price is, of course, Germany. Now, Germany recently sold $430+ million worth of Bitcoin. They've still got around $2.5 billion in reserve. And German politician Joanna Kotar is urging the Germans not to sell all of their Bitcoin. And the reason for that is keeping Bitcoin over the long term has proved to be a strategically good choice. And as we see more nations like the US considering adopting Bitcoin as a reserve asset or as a form of diversification, it could be a critical mistake by Germany to sell all of that Bitcoin. Nonetheless, it's still pushing the price down because that is a lot of sell pressure that they're creating. So it remains to be seen if they'll continue to sell the remaining $2.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. But yeah, we'll see. Okay, now for the interesting part, which is what can you actually do about all of it? On the one hand, you can't do anything about it. But on the other hand, this is a great time to buy more Bitcoin. You're getting Bitcoin at a nearly 30% discount. And so if you understand that more money over time is going to be printed by central banks and governments, and you also understand that Bitcoin is a fixed supply asset, with more and more people understanding the power of Bitcoin and the power of decentralized global money, then it only takes enough conviction, not even by the entire global population, but just by a small number of people buying and holding and accumulating Bitcoin to push the price higher over time. So I think this is a great buying opportunity for many people that have got higher conviction. And these times of depressed price in Bitcoin should be looked at as an opportunity. I certainly think it is. So anyway, not financial advice, make your own decisions. But those are the three things that are driving the Bitcoin price lower at the moment. And you can't do much about it other than buy more if you've got the conviction for the long term. Now, if you enjoyed this short video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. See ya.